Well, good morning. I'm back up in the Fannichs. I'm with Brian and Craig. We're going to be doing 2 Munros in the Western Fannichs. I'll put the name up on the screen over here. I early start this morning, picked up at 4:30. It's now 10 to 9, just started the walk, so it's going to be a long day, definitely a long day, but it's nice to have the sun back out again. Definitely really makes life a wee bit easier when the sun's out. There's a little bit of snow left in the top of the mountains, but we'll see once we get up. It was about 10 degrees when we left the car this morning. Gained a wee bit of height, not bad, pretty steep there, pretty steep coming up. But check that view out the Fisherfield. Those are 2 targets of the day. That's the rest of the Fannichs there. This has been on the go for 2 hours. Just got about the 4 mile mark. I was just getting to the Chailleach, doing 2 Munros. This is basically just up here. That's first target here. That's the second target here. Started to hit a wee bit of snow. Nothing too hard. Basically just wee patches. It's very soft as well. It seems to be a lot more snow on that one over there. is there, so I'm going to cut across. Amazing. Absolutely amazing.
Fantastic.
Enjoying that, I think.
Loving it. It's an amazing day in an amazing country.
Summit in Munro number 2. That was a good pull there, that was a good pull to Chailleach. That's good to beat that wind. I'll give you a look. Summit. That's us doing off the main hill. Basically come down off the hill and pick up this wee path right at the side of the loch. I love the loch it is too. So no far to go now. So far we've been walking for 5 hours 43 minutes and we've done 9.65 mile. I'm sure the walks are 10 mile, but I think a wee bit longer than that, a wee bit further than that to go. Aye, really good. Enjoyed it so far. I'll bring these back at the end. So that's basically done the walk for the day. Another 2 Munros in the bag. Cracking day, brilliant day, the scenery was excellent. Wee bit of snow at the end there coming off the second Munro, wee bit icy. That was the only times we needed the ice axes and that. But apart from that, it was shooty in. All in, we've been just over 6 hours and just coming up for 11 mile. A wee bit to go the car, but if you've watched it this far, thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.